Okay, I'm going to show you the new capability that we have, which is the action camera. But first of all, I'm going to start from the sources for the telemetry. So we will be using Teslamate here because it has the most data, and the data that it has is updated more frequently compared to the other two sources. So if I go and add over here my IP, which is my internal Teslamate, select my car, and then I'm going to enable the PostgreSQL direct access. So you see it's fetching now telemetry data for the clips, but I will enable this as well. And you see when you enable this, it takes some time, and now you have this field here which says peak power. So it estimates the peak power from the Teslamate data that you have, and that's the maximum value. I will show you why we need that. So we actually see when we play back that now we have compass information, we have throttle information, we have temperature, battery. You have different things, right? So this now is in miles. Here you see on the screen it's kilometers, which is fine. We can change what we want to see. And how does it actually work? So you see that the throttle is changing and it's filling up. So because we don't actually have the throttle position from Teslamate data, but we do have the information about power, we simulate the throttle position based on the maximum value that we received from the calculation that I had shown you. That's why we need that calculation, so we can actually see that this is green. So why is this useful? It's useful because a lot of people are actually using, if they want to record FSD videos or in general videos with external cameras, they don't have any telemetry data. And of course, the telemetry data is not coming from, say, in this case, you're not going to get it from a task clip, but you can get it from Teslamate, and then you can actually synchronize it. So you can view it in here and, of course, have all the export options. And over here, you see we have this button. What does this button actually do? This button says, for example, at the 4:22 minute, these are the actual GPS coordinates. So if I go down to 4:22 over here, you will see that I have synchronized this to an actual gas station here on the right. So I went to the Google Maps, I found the coordinates of this place. I go over here, I enter the GPS coordinates from Google Maps, I click find match, and you will see what happens is that the GoPro camera doesn't have the time in sync with the car. So they have different starting time. So what it does, it tries to find the closest match to the actual coordinates. And you see that it has matched it to a snapshot, which is here, but it says it's 4 meters away, which is fine. And we have a shift of 12 minutes. So the time that actually on the car, or the data that we're getting from Teslamate, to the data that we get from the action cam was 12 minutes off. So this is how we can use this, and then we can have a fine tune 1 to 2 seconds. So if we say, okay, apply this, and then I'll just quickly go here and change this to kilometers, you see 37, 38. So if I play this back, it pretty much matches, right? 40, 41, 46, it's pretty much the same. So you can use that this way. And of course, what you can do now, you have two options because it's on a single camera, of course. So you can burn the data or the information on a video export, or you can use it as overlay. So if you're a professional YouTuber that you want to enrich the videos that you produce and you post online, you can use the overlay information and then throw everything into Final Cut and select and edit it then on your own. So again, you have different options here on what you want to actually show or display. On the overlay, it will generate the files for you, and If you want another export, you just come back here. You say, yeah, I don't want the power, for example. I want to have the climate information on, or I just want the temperature or battery percentage or whatever. And that's pretty much it.